Hello, this video is just to run you through the very first basics of Logic so you can find your way around different windows. The first window is to create a new project. The place to go is Empty Project. Press Choose. You get a window that comes up that wants you to choose the kind of track that you want. We'll be using software instruments mostly. Later we'll get into audio. I tend to avoid the drummer because I like to program my own drums and I want you to learn how to do that too. In software instruments down here I can say, well, which instrument do I want to choose? And I've got a ton of instruments and sounds here that I can choose. I'm going to stick with Drum Kit Designer. I can change that later if I want. Here it comes with a ready-made drum kit, which I will close for now. This is the arrange screen. This is where you create your regions and move the regions around, copy and paste. More on that later. This is the track header. So this gives us very basic control over individual instruments. Here is a mute button if I don't want to hear it. Here is a solo button if I only want to hear this and nothing else. This is for volume, up and down. This is for panning, left and right. If we go here to the letter I get the inspector. The inspector gives me more detailed information and more control over each instrument. I can also change here the instrument to something else if I'd like to try that. There's lots of sounds in there and we'll get into that in greater detail later on. We have a mixer. What I'd like to do at this point is just show you how to get to advanced tools, an advanced view of Logic, because this is the basic view. But if I go to Logic, Preferences, Advanced Tools, and show Advanced Tools, you can't see it straight away, but now you've got more sophistication going on. You can get deeper into Logic and do more detailed operations. So for instance, here's the window. We can now look at the mixer. This is the mixer, which will have all of our tracks along here when we've created them, and we can change again how loud they are, their left, right. We can add special effects as well, and we'll get into that at another time also. Let's close that and let's see if we can so open piano roll. Notice the shortcut here is Command and 4. This is the piano roll. This is where you would do your note editing. You'll put notes in here and then you can edit them. What note are they? How long are they? How loud are they? You can copy and paste in here. So it's a really useful window to get to grips with. Now you're ready to go to the next video where we can set up the different tools that we need in order to start making music.